Hi, Southwood third grade. So today we are going to create an e-card or a printable card for our Enumclaw senior citizen community. So at this time of year, sometimes people get a little sad when they can't go visit their family. And with our COVID situation, we are going to make sure that our senior community has a wonderful holiday. So what can you say to bring somebody some joy today? Well, we're going to work on that. Our directions are this. So first things I want you to do before you go to your screen or your e-card is I want you to write on paper what your message should be. So if you look down below here, these are your sentence starters. Wishing you well this holiday season. I hope you have a good day. Or my hope for your holiday is that you eat lots of pumpkin pie. So there's lots of different ways that we can say happy, positive things for our friends. Our third step is to add or to draw pictures. Now, there is a way that you can add some pictures to your slides just by downloading them. But remember when you are downloading a picture or you are inserting a picture from Google Drive, I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. Remember that we want to put pictures that our senior friends would want to see, not maybe what your favorite Minecraft character is, okay, or your Fortnite. So try to remember who you're making the card for. This is not for you. This is for a member of our community. And the fourth most important thing, are you ready for it? Use your slide only, okay? So don't write on somebody else's slide. Don't type on somebody else's slide. If there's words on that slide, that is not your slide, okay? You're gonna actually look for your slide under your teacher that has your name on it. So if you look down here, you would click on us. And when you click on who your teacher is, you will find your slide with your name on the bottom. And that is the slide that you are supposed to be typing on. So I'm watching you, typing over other people's slides today, because then their hard work is all gone. Okay, we want to try to have these finished up by Monday, Tuesday at the latest, so that I need to send them on off or print them off and send them to our senior community. So if I go here, let's hope this works, because I tried to do this earlier and we were having some struggles. All right, so if you clicked on Sirkowski, you would see our directions again, just in case you wanted to see them. You'll also notice that you are welcome to create digitally. You can use digital image, or you can try to use auto draw. So it's in blue here because if I click on the auto draw, it will show me some directions for auto draw. And auto draw is where you're drawing on the slide itself. And there's some ways that you can do that. So if you're feeling really fancy with your spices, you can try the auto draw. If not, so I'm going to pretend I'm Austin today. Here's his slide. And this is what it looks like. You'll notice if I click on it, there's a text box for you. So this is where your message would go. So you would type your message here. I'm not going to type one because I want you to type your message. But I want to insert an image. So I go up here to insert. And I go to image. Now, we're not going to upload anything from the computer unless if it's something that you've drawn. So if you've drawn something, then you can upload from your computer. If not, you're going to search the web. So if I click on this one, okay, so here were some images I looked up earlier. The word joy. Now, I have the word transparent here because when I make it transparent, it kind of can go over the top. So it looks like there's nothing behind me. But with our slide being just plain white, that's really not a problem. So I'm going to type in Thanksgiving. Or should we make sure you spell Thanksgiving right? Thanksgiving. What do we want to say? Messages. Or we could just type Thanksgiving and see what we get. So if we click on that, oh, I'm frozen again. Okay, I was frozen there for a minute. So I might choose this one. Okay, so I'm going to click it. The insert button comes up. Now watch what happens on your slide. There it is. Okay, so it's on your slide. Now you'll notice his words went away because I didn't type anything here. So I've got and I can move that all around. I can move it right into my text box. Remember your message here. Okay, also it's kind of small and I might want to change the font. So if I want to do that, I can highlight it and go up here. See this bar up at the top? I can change the font. There's only going to be one rule with fonts. You have to be able to read it. So sometimes we choose the super loopy pretty cursive, and that makes it hard to read. So I'm going to choose something easy. Oh, look, my virus threat protection is gone. Woohoo! Not threat anymore. Okay, so I've changed that, but it's still pretty small. I'm going to just make it bigger. So I increase my font size until that's the size I want. So you can insert up to 3 images, or you can draw your own picture. If you wrote it on paper and you want to upload your paper, it would just have to be super, super, super clean and a really good picture so that our senior friends can see your work. The other thing I want to mention too is please do not change the font or the school or add your last names. Whenever we're writing for things out in the community, it's a safety issue if we write our last names. So first name only, which is why I've done that for you already. So go sprinkle some joy, my third grade friends, and I will see you